today I have a review for you guys on a new foundation I recently started using. About, I want to say like 2 months ago, I started using this foundation from Frankie Cosmetics. And I've seen it a lot on Instagram, and Jenny69 and her sister, the Murillo twins, they talk a lot about this foundation. And I have been needing a new foundation, and I honestly didn't know which one to go for. I've been so in love with this foundation. The finish itself, it's so beautiful. It's not so matte that your face looks dry, like all the life has been sucked out of it, because I know I'm oily and I know we like to look super matte, but sometimes that's not the vibe for me anymore. I don't want to look super matte, like all dehydrated and stuff. I still want my skin to look a little glowy, but not too dewy. And this honestly is my favorite. Now this is probably going to be my holy grail because it's so lightweight. Like I can't feel anything on my face. Shade Olive, which I'm between an NC25 and an NC30, and it matches my skin perfect. It's like a warm yellow undertone. They also have another shade that I feel like once I get a little bit more tan in this summer, I'll probably be able to match perfectly to, which is the shade, I think, Oatmeal. So I have my phone here and I'm going to be on the website, so we're going to be talking about the foundation a little bit. So it's $36, and I'm not sure how many colors they have. So the shade selection is not that big. They have about 2 deep tones and like 4 or 5 beige tones, but the foundation itself is so beautiful. It's super lightweight. I can't even feel it on my skin at all. The finish is a soft matte finish. It's not too matte, as you can tell. Like I still have like some type of dewiness to my face. It's not over drying my skin, but it keeps me matte enough that I can actually be outside in this hot, humid weather. Like I wore this foundation out to an outdoor concert here in Houston, and it was hot, okay, but my face still looked good. After I started to get a little oily, I want to say at the like 9-hour mark of me wearing it all day and outside dancing, jumping up and down and all that, my nose started to just shine a little bit, but nothing that a little bit of powder couldn't have, you know, changed. A little bit of setting powder, I would have been good for another few hours because it did not separate. The makeup itself was not separating. Flash test on this, I don't know. Let me see the way it would look with flash. I'm gonna just take a quick pic and let's see. Ooh, can you see? No white cast. It does not look white at all. So in the picture test, there's no white cast. It looks amazing. It looks super flawless. The color just blends in so beautiful. I highly recommend this foundation with the 2 primers right now, because since I have combination skin, I need 2 primers. I need a mattifying primer on my nose. I do use this on top of the under the foundation, and this other smoothing primer for a Makeup Forever. I know you're gonna see that whenever I'm trying on the foundation for you guys. I kept it really simple for today just because I wanted to focus on the skin, since like I said, I am doing a review for you guys. But this is gonna be the 4th time this week I've used it, from morning to late in the afternoon, and like I said, my skin has just been looking flawless. It looks flawless on camera. Like, there's nothing bad about this foundation other than the small shade selection, but it's a small brand. I'm thinking it's like a little indie brand. I'm not sure. If you're on the lookout for a new foundation, I highly recommend this one, especially to all my oily girls out there. It's $36, and I think you can only buy it on Frankie Rose Cosmetics, but like I said, it's worth it. And the undertone itself, it's really nice for, you know, that warm olive color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll be seeing you later. Bye.